Alright guys, if you guys looking to purchase stock or crypto such as Dogecoin, well, there are two popular trading platforms right now in the market that I recommend you guys. One is Webull and another one is Robinhood. The question in here is which one is better and which one is the right fit for you. In this video, I'm going to break down in detail and review Webull and Robinhood, and you are going to be the judge to see which one is better fit for you. What I'm thinking about Webull and Robinhood, this is what I'm thinking. I like to think that Webull is more like the basic plus advanced for any new user. And if I want to think of Robinhood, it's like very simple, convenient platform to buy stock and crypto for beginner, and it's very, very, very simple. Okay, so let me break it down for you guys. So the first thing in here is what is Webull have and what is Robinhood have. Number one, Webull, you can buy stock and crypto such as Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum. And the same thing with Robinhood. You can buy stock and crypto such as Dogecoin. So both of the website, I have the check right here. You guys see right here? The check. So that's mean both of the website, you able to do those kind of things. So if you look into purchase Dogecoin or stock, both of the website allow you to do it as well. Okay. Next thing is on Webull platform, they allow you to trade, buy stock, and they allow you to buy stock before and after hours. Let me explain for you. So that's mean in the morning at 4 a.m. in the morning, you can literally go inside Webull and trade stock. You can purchase stock and sell stock all the way until 8 p.m. after hours, 8 p.m. at nighttime, you're still able to purchase stock. But on Robinhood account, you only able to trade stock during the normal business hour. That means you can only buy stock at 9 a.m. in the morning all the way until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that means before 9 a.m. you cannot buy stock, and after 4 p.m. you cannot buy and sell stock. This is what happened to me before. Before, I want to purchase stock like before 9 a.m. I want to purchase stock at 7 a.m. in the morning. I can't. I have to wait until that time. Some stock is very potential, and I want to jump in early and buy at an early stage or buy early in the morning. I cannot. But Webull allow you, okay? And on top of that, after 4 p.m. you want to play stock. You want to purchase stock. You want to sell stock. Webull allow you, okay? But Robinhood don't allow you. So I like to put a check right here for Webull. Now, the next thing in here is Webull, they have a lot of new and financial statement. So let me give you an example. When you go inside Webull platform, you don't have to go on Google, Yahoo, and different platforms looking for new of that particular stock. But guess what happened? They have all in one. You can click on the stock, like Coinbase, Palantir. They have all of the new. Same thing with Dogecoin. You click on Dogecoin, they have all of the new of Dogecoin. You don't have to go anywhere else. But on Robinhood, they have very little new. Okay, they have new, but they have very little. And they don't have financial statement. So on Webull, I can go inside the stock, and I can see like the income statement, the financial statement, the balance sheet. They have everything in there, right? In very detailed and organized. But on Robinhood account, I cannot see the financial statement. So I have to go into Yahoo Finance. I have to go to Google to search for those information, okay? So that is the thing that I really like about Webull. They have a lot of new and financial statement all in one. So I want to give a check right here for Webull right here. So both of the platform that allow you to trade crypto, you know crypto, right? That's mean like Dogecoin, Bitcoin. You can trade anytime, like 24/7 at any time. So that is on Webull and Robinhood. Both platforms allow you to. Now the next thing is Webull is very user-friendly app, and so I like to think of Webull app is more like they are user-friendly, but they for basic. They have basic and advanced at the same time. But Robinhood app, I like to think it's very easy to use. Robinhood is designed, it's like super easy to use and super friendly, very user friendly, and they design basic for beginner. So if anyone who are not technical at all, and you guys like not technical at all, and you want something super simple, then Robinhood is really good at this part right here. Okay, but Webull is basic, but they allow you later on you want to become more advanced, to have more new financial statement. Then Webull is right fit for you. Now, the next thing I want to talk about Webull is when you deposit, let's say $100, $500, $1,000, $5,000 on Webull, it takes around 3 to 5 days for the money to get in. But on Robinhood account, when you deposit the money go instantly in. 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, you can deposit and it go instantly in. Because Robinhood, they have the Go account. You can pay $5 per month. Webull is free. It's totally free. You don't have to pay $5 per month to have all those access. Webull, everything is free. Okay, so that's the good thing about Webull. But Robinhood, you can deposit the money, it go instantly. You don't have to wait for like 3 to 5 days. So I like to give Robinhood a check right there. The money going really fast. Now the next thing is, Jimmy, so what about the price of Dogecoin? What about the price of crypto? Is the price of Dogecoin on Webull is cheaper than Robinhood, or Robinhood is cheaper? So here's the thing. On Webull and Robinhood, the price is really similar. Okay, so let me give you one example. I check out the price right now of Dogecoin on Webull is 0.32, so 32 cents, 0.3266. On Robinhood is this is 32 right here, 0.3265. Okay, so you see like they both of them is 32 cents, but on Webull is 32.66. This one is 6.5. So Robinhood is a little bit cheaper, but it's not much big difference. Okay. Now the next thing is, Jimmy, so what about the customer service? In this videos, I analyze and review both of the platform based on the product, the price, the customer service, and on top of that is the security. Okay. So if you look at the customer service from Webull, Webull have great customer service in my personal opinion. I contact them, they are really nice. They go onto a Zoom call, talk to me. So Webull, they have phone number. Robinhood don't have phone number. Okay, so if you want to contact them, it's very hard. Webull have phone number. Webull have email and help desk. Robinhood have no phone number. They only have email and help desk. Robinhood, they have phone number, but it's only for like big player. If you play like big option money, and if you run into problem, then they have phone number for you to call them. But other than that, they don't have general phone number for anyone can call them. But Webull have that. Now, let's talk about security, because security is really important in the platform that you sign up, right? You don't want to sign up for a platform and find out you get hacked, right? So for security, I like to think that Webull is very high security because they have two-factor. You know, two-factor authentication. So that's mean like if you want to get hacked, it's really hard because they send like the code to your phone, and you have to verify that code to know you are the right person. So Webull have two-factor, and they have a trade-in password. So if you want to trade, if somebody hacked into your account and they want to trade your stock, they can, because they need to enter the trade-in password if you set trade-in password in there. So Webull have that. On Robinhood, I want to give it around like medium security, because Robinhood, they also have like two-factor as well. So it's pretty, the security is pretty good as well. But here's the problem. A lot of time when I hear on the news, I hear online, people, they get hacked from Robinhood, but they don't really get hacked from Webull that much, okay? Because I guess it's right now a lot of users using Robinhood account, so hackers, they tend to target like Robinhood more than Webull. So this is just not, this is not based on the fact, but that's what I heard online when people send me messages. They say they get hacked on Robinhood. Like, what do they do right now? Or how do they contact support? But if you ever get hacked on Webull, you can call the 1-800 number and they can help you to solve the problem. It's faster than Robinhood. If Robinhood you get hacked, you got to email them, so it takes a lot longer, okay? So the next thing is transparency. When you use a platform, a trading broker, I think transparency is really important. For Webull, I think it's more transparent than Robinhood, in my personal opinion. Guys, listen, I use Webull and I use Robinhood. Like before, right now, my Robinhood account I use is more often because I have cryptocurrency in there. Before, Webull don't have cryptocurrency. They don't have Dogecoin. So that's why I buy a lot of my Dogecoin is inside the Robinhood. But like in my personal opinion, if I can start all over again, I'm probably gonna go with Webull because it's more convenient because they have cryptos and they have the great customer service and things like that. So right now, if you look at it, right, Webull is more transparent than Robinhood. Here's why. One of the things that I frustrate most about Robinhood is I hear story all the time. When those coins spike, Robinhood always maintaining. They maintain it all the time. Like every single week, they always maintaining. And when those coins spike, they maintain it. They don't allow people to buy more. And that's the problem with Robinhood. And that is the thing that frustrates me the most. I really hope that Robinhood really fix this problem because this is not only me. I experience this. A lot of people that experience that thing as well. And I don't want the next time those coins spike, they're going to do another maintaining because that's what happened in the past for Nokia, for GameStop. They do the same thing. So I think when it comes to transparency, I like Webull a little bit more than Robinhood. So the next thing is, now what about the future development, Jimmy, of Webull and Robinhood? I like about Robinhood is in the future, Robinhood, they're going to add the Robinhood wallet. What is Robinhood wallet really mean is allow you and me to transfer cryptocurrencies to somewhere else. So let's say I can transfer my cryptocurrency like Dogecoin to Binance. I can transfer it to Coinbase. I can transfer anywhere. So I think Robinhood, they're working on the wallet, which is a really good thing. I really hope that down the road that Webull have Webull wallet for cryptocurrency, for Dogecoin, you know, for Bitcoin and many other things. I think right now I don't hear anything from Webull yet. They don't have a plan to integrate their own cryptocurrency in their platform. Probably it could be in the future when cryptocurrency is on the rise and more people start to use and purchase cryptocurrency on Webull platform, then maybe they're able to do that. But for now, I like Robinhood more on the wallet because they plan to put it in. So overall, guys, what is the score do I give to Webull and what is the score I give to Robinhood? I add everything all together, the check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I give Webull the score 8 out of 10 on this review. 8 out of 10 based on the product, the price, and also the customer service and the security. So I give Webull 8 out of 10. For Robinhood, right now, I probably give them a 5 out of 10. And here's the reason why. I still use Robinhood. Don't get me wrong, right? I still like Robinhood, okay? Because they have a great product. You know, all I really need is just like go into the website, user-friendly, and purchase stock and crypto. That's it, right? But there are many things that I don't like about Robinhood, and I wish that in the future Robinhood start to improve more and more so I can talk better about Robinhood based on my personal experience. But for now, I give Robinhood a 5. So guys, you guys know the difference between Webull and Robinhood. Make your own decision of what is best for you, okay? Because by the end of the day, the money is yours and you know what is best for you. So I'm going to drop the link below for Webull. So if you want to sign up with Webull, and you can use my link, you use my link in the description below or in this video below, then you will have 2 free stock up to $1,600 when you deposit $100 with Webull. And you can also use my link if you decide to sign up for Robinhood as well, and the link is in the description below. Okay, good luck, guys. I hope this video is helpful, and always invest like a genius.